the relation less than in the set of natural numbers is, the set of natural numbers is only symmetric or only transitive, only reflexive, and equivalence. To show an equivalence, we must show all these are correct: symmetric, transitive, and reflexive. So first let me recall once again. In my previous videos also explained about the relations. Reflexive: if for every A belongs to A is related to A, it is reflexive. If A is related to B, then B is related to A. This is reflexive property, and this is symmetric property. And transitive: if A related to B and B related to C, then A is related to C. So these are the 3 points we have to remember. So first case, for every A belongs to A is related to A, which means that in this question less than symbol is given. Suppose like relation, we have to say that A comma B such that A is less than B, less than condition. Now to say that first reflexive or not, you take any number. Can we say that A is less than equal to A, less than A? No. So can we say for 1 is less than 1? No, we can say. So this is not a reflexive. And coming to the next, symmetric. For symmetric, what is that we can say? Suppose 1 is less than 2, 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, which implies that 1 is less than 2. So can you say that 2 is less than 1? No. If 1 is less than 2, 2 must be greater than 1. So 2 cannot be less than 1. So what is that we can say here? From this we can just say that it is not a symmetric. Means for A is less than B, which implies B cannot be less than A. And coming to the third, transitive. Let us check the transitive case. If 1 is less than 2, means 1 comma 2 belongs to R, and 2 is less than 3, that is 2 comma 3 belongs to R, then can you say 1 is less than 3? 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 3. Can we say 1 and 3? 1 is less than 3. Yes. So here we can say 1 comma 3 belongs to R. You take any natural number. Not only this example, any natural number you take. A is less than B and B is less than C. So we can say that A is less than C. So it holds true for any natural numbers, and hence we can say it is only transitive. So we can go with option only transitive.